Today I'm here in Naggalama Hospital and I'm looking at our recent project, which is to install an extension of 22 kilowatt peak in the Naggalama Hospital and also installing a battery storage system so that we can help the hospital to cope with power cuts.
What is so unique about this system is the supercapacitors, which are very key on the market, and they're the market changers. This will help these hospitals to store energy and to have a very good energy support in case of power cuts, and in case electricity has gone. These batteries, they can support the entire hospital. It will be good, you who are outside there, to have such a system in your hospital, in your commercial building, or in your industry. It will be a game changer in all your energy needs.
Here to ensure that every design specification is adhered to.
I was always curious to know how those panels are installed there. Now today I've got to know how they are installed. Their work is really great. They install their panels with a lot of care. I'm really happy and delighted to be with them.
There will be no time spent in switching on the generator in case power goes. And it will be so good to our patients, since with the solar there is no noise, so a patient remains calm and settled while they are in the hospital. Our work of healing and bringing back life will be done so effectively and efficiently.
We are making some savings, and I believe with the completion of the second part of solar, we are going to make a significant saving from what we are paying currently to Meme, something we really need for sustainability. God bless you. Thank you so much. We want to work with you again.